Okay, Chris Johnson here, back here with the amazing star trick. We're going to take this paper, we're going to fold it up a bunch of ways, and then we're going to cut it one time with a pair of scissors, and we're going to get a star. This is very, very cool. I'm going to do it one time like this with me facing the camera, and then I'm going to do it with the camera over my shoulder so you can match my actions and do it right along with me. So here's how it works. You take a regular piece of paper, fold it in half like this, fold it in half like this, then you've got those two folds there in the center. And then what you do is you fold it in half like this. You have the folded edge away from you. And then you take one end and you go over here like this, and you come right to that center point where it's folded, and then your point right here should be halfway along this edge right here. You give that a crease, and you take this edge and you fold it back, aligning this edge with this edge, just like this. Then you take this end up here and you fold it so it matches this side right here. So you fold that, then you fold this end back so it matches right here. Yeah, you fold this end back so this end matches right here. Let me make sure I'm saying that carefully. So you come right over here just like this. Then you've got the whole thing folded just like, kind of like a paper airplane. You take your scissors, you cut not across like this, but kind of up like this. Give it a cut. And you take this end, you put it aside. You don't need that anymore. And you show you've now made a star, which is very, very cool. Now I'm going to show you that again with the camera over my shoulder. Here, we're going to do that one more time. Check this out. Do it right along with me. So you got your paper right along right on your desk or table. You fold it in half like this. Then you unfold it, fold it in half like this. Make sure your edges are even with each other. So you got those two folds in there. Fold it in half again. Now the folded part you place away from you, like this. So this is the part that opens, this is the part that's folded. Take this end right here, fold it right along, so this point is right halfway through here. Give that a good crease. Take this point, fold it back over here, so this top edge right here matches this. Let me show you what I mean. Just like that. And then this is folded back, so this edge here matches this. Or I'm sorry, this edge here is just folded against this edge right here. Now this edge is folded back, so this part right here matches this. And I had a mistake there, so let me fold this back. Like this. So it looks kind of like a paper airplane. Then you take your scissors and you give it a cut, not straight through this triangle right here, but kind of angled upwards like this. Give it a cut, you take the big piece and get rid of that, set your scissors aside, and you unfold. With one cut, you made a star. Very cool magic trick.